Lubao Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their services to our We're in Pampanga community. Guys, ngayong araw na to, na-invite po kami for, I think this is the third time we're gonna be here.
Yes.
And we're excited because they are reopening for better.
Yes, so for more information about this business, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go!
Alright, so while Jan is taking pictures dito sa Gerly's, no, I can still remember, I think it was less than 3 years ago when we were here. We were invited to come and check out Gerly's for the first time. So tinignan po namin yung kanyang hotel. We were at the function hall. We were also able to see the swimming pool. So meron silang parang common area for the swimming pool. And then we have another place here which is, I think it can be rented as a private place. So if you have an intimate occasion or gathering, a small one, you can actually rent that entire place. Wow, what a way to reminisce when we were featuring this place for the first time, no? So again, this is Gerly's Place Hotel and Resort. Check this very lovely swimming pool, no? So nakapalibot dito sa swimming pool. We have some chairs. I'm really happy that I'm back here, and they've really improved. If you have an event, if you are looking for a place to stay dito po sa Lubao, Pampanga, so they are open. At the same time, meron tayong function hall which can accommodate around 250 guests. Look at this. Galing. Amazing. Wow, congratulations Gerly's Place for reopening. Grabe, this is their 2.0 version.
Yes.
If you're looking for a place to stay here in Lubao, a place for your function, check out Gerly's.
Congrats, Gerly's Place.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video, in this vlog. Thank you so much din Gerly's Place for inviting us.
Yes. So if you want to book your event, you could try Gerly's Place para sa inyong venue.
At the same time, they are open for the hotels and the resort. If you're looking for a place to relax, unwind, have a great weekend with your family, this is open dito lamang po sa Lubao, Pampanga.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Guys, bye.
Hi guys, it's Derek Monasterio. First of all, I just want to congratulate Gerly's Place for their grand opening. And if you guys are looking for a place to go to, spend time with family, with friends, Gerly's Place is the place to go to. Super luxurious, super convenient, super friendly yung mga staff. So I highly recommend.